What's up guys, Alberto BIGBOOST here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different than I do normally on the channel. We're not gonna be building turbos or working on a project car today. Today I'm actually gonna be working on my girlfriend Maria's car, which actually has a turbo. It's not an NA car, so it actually has a turbo. Maria's car has been pretty dirty for the past few weeks, and today we're gonna do something about it. Today we're gonna be washing Maria's car and doing a quick detail on her car using no other but Mother's products. Guys, if there's any product that I use to wash or wax my cars, it has to be Mother's products. Today we're gonna be washing Maria's car with Mother's Carnauba Wash and Wax, and then we're gonna be waxing it with Mother's Brazilian Carnauba Wax. For that I have as well the Mother's Quick Detailing Towel and the application pads. Not only that, but we can also clean the interior with carpet and upholstery cleaner, and then to give it a final touch we got the interior detailer. It doesn't end there, we got the glass and surface cleaner, and we got this nice aerosol glass and screen cleaner. This stuff works really good. I even tried it on my phone and I made it like squeaky clean just like it came out of the box. I can't thank Mother's for hooking it up with all the products. We got all the products that we need to detail both Maria's car and my E36 back there. I'm gonna be doing the video with Maria's car since it's more of a challenge. She has a black color car, so it's harder to clean and polish. So we're gonna show you just how well these products work. These are some of the many products that Mother's have to offer that you will need to clean and wash your car. I'm gonna be using the Mother's Carnauba Wash and Wax. This is some really good stuff. It's our California Gold series. We got the California Gold Brazilian Carnauba Cleaner Wax. We got the carpet and upholstery cleaner. We got the glass and surface cleaner. I'm probably gonna end up using the aerosol one, their Mother's Speed series glass and screen cleaner, and then the Mother's Speed interior detailer. This thing's gonna shine up the dashboard. Then I got this nice microfiber ultra soft quick detailing towel. This thing is like really high quality, so it's gonna have a really nice finish to this car. And then last but not least, we got the applicator pads that we're gonna be using with our wax. Guys, you really must check out the Mother's products. I placed the link in the description below. If you're looking for that car show shine on your car, look no further, just hit up Mother's. We're gonna start by washing her car. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it up. It's all nice and wet. Now I'm going to add a little bit of Carnauba Wash and Wax. And then we're gonna make it foam. Then we're gonna use a microfiber sponge, get it all soaked up, and it's ready to go.
What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground. I am in the summer sky. I am hearing all the lies. Don't turn your back on me, I'm here for you. I'll light your fire as the cold comes through. You'll be my passenger and I'll break through. I'll break through.
Now it's time to use the Mother's drying towel to get this car all dried up. Her car is all washed and clean now, but the paint needs urgent care. Look at this. Yes, clean, but it's not smooth. It's time for my favorite and most rewarding part of the job, waxing. Now we're gonna get rid of that squeak with this awesome Carnauba wax from Mother's. We're going to start with a small section of the hood first. I'm gonna apply a little bit of product on my applicator like this, and then we're gonna rub it in slow motion across this part of the hood. We're gonna let it dry for a little bit. I might as well just do half of the hood. Just gonna apply the product, and then I'm gonna keep doing the swirl motion to kind of like polish the paint. Now I'm going to use a microfiber cloth and remove the wax. Same swirl motion, kind of like polishing the surface evenly. You can start to see that this thing's gonna get a lot of shine and smoothness now. Time for another squeak test. Look at this. Oh man, this is like so buttery smooth right now. I did the other side of the hood, and now the test. Buttery smooth. There really is no shines like Mother's. This stuff is absolutely great. Now I just gotta do the rest of the car, and let's see how long that's gonna take me. Just got finished with all the waxing just in time before this rain gets here, because I think it's gonna start to drizzle in a little bit. So I need to finish with the rest of the detailing in the next 10 minutes. Tell me this thing ain't shiny. It's not even sunny outside right now. It's all cloudy, and look how much shinier this car is compared to how it was before. It literally looks like a mirror all the way around. Well, hello there. Let's go on the door side. Look at this. Full reflection. Now it's time to use the Mother's Speed Glass and Screen Cleaner. Let's clean this baby up. The most important part that I need to clean is gonna be the inside of the windshield. It's really hard to get on camera, but I clean a little spot around here somewhere, and you can see what a difference it looks like. Right here, you can tell this is clean and this is not clean. Look at this. I see Maria got some art going on the windshield, so we're gonna have to clean that up. Look at that difference. No more lettering. The glass on this is pretty much invisible now. All you can see is just a reflection. I cleaned the mirrors, I cleaned the side doors. Now what's left is to clean the center console and the door panels. I wonder if I should use the same spray to clean this, since it has glass and screen cleaner. Look at that brand new radio. Now we gotta use the interior detailer on the dashboard to shine it all up. A little bit on the steering wheel. Wow, look at that. It looks brand new. Wow, this thing looks brand new. Check out how awesome the interior turned out. It's all squeaky clean now. If you're looking for a product to clean your interior, definitely grab a bottle of Mother's Speed Interior Detailer. The last product that I have left is a carpet and upholstery cleaner, but I don't have a vacuum cleaner to do the cleaning before applying this product, so I'm just gonna waste product trying to use it without vacuuming the carpet first. This car has been detailed by yours truly, and now I guess Maria's gonna be one happy girlfriend because her car is all shiny, the interior is clean, her glass is all clean, so she can finally see better while driving because it was pretty dirty. So now I can't wait to actually go on a road trip with this thing all cleaned up. Or maybe I should take my E36. Thank you so much, mothers, for sending me such awesome products. That little care package really works. I got all the best of the best products to be able to clean my girlfriend's car, and now it looks 10 times better than what it did before. There's black car, super black car, and black car. As you can see, this is the shiniest black car on the lot. I would love to wash my E36, but I don't really feel like it right now since it took me all day cleaning Maria's car. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoy how you can use these awesome products to clean your car, because it's not only about going fast, but your car gotta look good as well.